He's difficult to play against as Genji as well and Tracer.
Mm.
Hello?
Oh shit, one of them plays Reinhardt and Lucio. Reinhardt. And it's Wolf. Wolf plays Rein.
Ah, okay.
Kuskai plays Genji McCree, basically hit scan. Hit scan or fast projectile.
So basically characters.
Yeah,
Just characters. Yeah, like what else is there?
I mean, the slow
Does he play
projectiles.
anything?
This season or at all?
Yeah.
8 minutes, 11 win percentage.
This season though.
Yeah.
Overall, 4 hours May, 61%.
All seasons 2 hours. Meanwhile, they're gonna have they have a D.Va one trick basically, a Reinhardt one trick, a Zarya, Mercy, Genji, and Symmetra Torbjorn.
We are so fucked.
I mean, they also have someone who's hopefully less than ideal.
Oh yeah, Symmetra / Torbjorn.
51% on Torbjorn and...
I'm guessing 60 plus on Symmetra.
Can't tell.
You guys are up, right?
Huh?
Uh,
I mean, I could use.
We're here, don't worry.
uh-oh.
Hello, the waste.
Zarya discorded? She's going after you, man.
Yeah, I'm on.
Alright, I'm behind you.
Oh, okay,
She's
nice.
healed up.
Oh, watch out, Genji
Yeah,
behind.
left side, left side.
Genji left.
Zenyatta's discorded. I'm playing right side. Genji low, Genji low, Genji low.
Got you.
Just, I need healing. Never mind.
I know.
Zarya?
Trust me, I'm well aware that you need healing.
Yeah, she's just choosing to let you die.
No, I was trying to keep Sam alive as well.
Alright.
Yes, but I like accusing the healers of choosing to let us die for team morale.
Have you got... Yeah, you do.
Yeah, you can check yourself now.
Yeah, but I guess sometimes it's just easier to ask.
And I swear to God,
Top
if you're
left?
just pressing you.
No, that was accidental.
Yeah, he did need healing. I got him though.
Ooh,
Genji,
up top,
Genji
up top.
discorded?
And please tell me you're
Man,
not dead.
Genji's still discorded.
Never mind.
Oh, I got bent.
That's okay.
Alright, I'm playing
You
back.
did some work.
Yeah, I did take one down and a lot of damage.
I got you. Oh, fuck. Genji discorded? I need rest.
Yeah, I got you. Just don't want him on top of your body
I got
as I'm
it.
trying to res you. And
Genji one. Nice.
Oh, hi. Reinhardt's half, Reinhardt getting healed. Reinhardt low. Never mind. Are any of them even in voice chat?
No idea.
I mean, I'm not.
Genji's discorded left side man.
Dead.
Nice, that's a wasted ult on him. Zarya?
patch shatter.
Reinhardt discorded left side low.
Couldn't take him down. I might die. Never mind, I'm alive.
I'm gonna.
I got you. Oh no.
I've got my ults on.
I need mine.
Give me like a few seconds and I'll.
Okay, sure.
Then forward. There you go. Good job. We found the W button. Oh,
Uh-oh.
no.
I can't. Too many ults.
Damn it.
I can't. I'm moving back.
I had 100%.
I think we might
I need help.
still be able to save
No,
it.
I can't.
Should we get back?
I'm gonna
okay.
res him.
Yeah, I was gonna
Back
say,
me,
can
please,
you
please.
No worries. It'll take them a few seconds to get the payload out
Well,
anyway.
now I'm gonna spawn all the way back.
Yeah.
Now to strike.
Ah, fuck. Zen, can I move back?
I got him.
Fuck, who's that top right? Oh, that's you, mate. I got him in. I got him. Reinhardt's just good.
Oh, nice.
Reinhardt? I need my ult. Genji? Zarya just scored it? Oh no. Genji?
Get that.
I'm ulting everyone. I'm escorting everyone. Alright, I've got my ult. Oh shit, I didn't know it goes under.
No, fuck's sake.
Fuck me.
If only for that Moira ult, I would have saved her.
I was just waiting for him to kill me.
I'm sorry.
'cause
Thanks.
Behind, mid?
Yeah, I'm discarded.
No, and I'm dead. He was low.
Oh,
Yeah, I was
you
hoping you're gonna be behind me.
Genji's behind. I think Genji's being the biggest issue for me.
Is not preordained.
For me, yeah, I would say so. No one else is really noticeable. Winston, but
I'm on. Oh shit, he's bubbled.
Genji as well. I can't do anything.
I'm gonna let them kill me there. There we go.
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
Is not
After ult, I'm gonna switch to Reaper.
Yeah.
Because I've got 3 tanks.
The free tanks.
Yeah.
Oh shit, they do. I was gonna say that I'm gonna switch Anna for the I'm gonna switch Anna for Zenyatta.
Oh,
But
okay.
since
I'm
they
just
have
gonna
free-
throw in an
since they
ult
have-
and hope for the best.
Since they have free tanks, there's no point.
Switch
Genji's
to,
just scored it. Which one? Oh fuck. Did you ult your soul?
I'm gonna. I've made them spend a transcendence, so
Nice,
it's all
nice,
close.
nice. Winston? I got it. I can't get you if you're so far ahead.
How? Are you fucking kidding me?
Can we
How the
contest?
fuck did we lose that?
We still
Like,
haven't
how did we
lost.
lose that first point?
Let's at least get them into overtime. No. Sorry. Yeah, who got us at the end? Like,
I think it was the Genji ult. It was the Zarya ult plus something else. We got like 3 or 4 of us got in the Zarya ult. Attack.
we didn't get them into overtime, have we? Did we?
What?
We didn't get them into overtime, did we?
No.
No.
Mm.
They've got like 18, 19 seconds.
Oh fuck.
yourself is without form.
It is not my preference to see to matters personally, but I will see them done.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
A warrior's greatest weapon is patience.
Yeah. Wasting.
What?
Wasting all the booze.
A warrior's greatest weapon is patience.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Junkrat.
Reflect upon your actions.
Symmetra as well.
Oh,
Yeah, it doesn't surprise me.
I'll try to clear her turrets.
They're going right side.
I think most of the turrets are clear, and I'm on
I'm
point.
behind you. I'm behind you.
Okay, Symmetra low. Symmetra 1. She dead.
The D.Va's escorted.
I need heals.
Mercy, Mercy, can you focus
I'm
on
on
Mercy?
her, I'm on her, but she's gone.
Mercy's resin. Oh, for fuck's sake.
How the hell did that Junkrat get that ult so fast?
I mean, I'm already on 60%. If he's dealing more damage than I am, that's why. Is that it? Fuck, I'm sorry.
He fucked off.
Someone's low. Top left. Soldier top left. Symmetra's just scored it. Oh my fuck. I missed.
I regroup.
Yeah, we're all dead except Zenny. Just died. Oh, yeah.
Oh, teleporter I saw.
The outcome is not preordained.
I'll try to search for it, but
Yeah.
wait, I'm gonna wait for you all first, otherwise I'm just gonna get caught out and die. I'm gonna go search for the teleporter.
It's gotta be right side. Soldier has ult. He's top right. Soldier has ult, top right. No, Reinhardt!
I'm on teleporter. It's down.
D.Va just scored it.
Necklace.
D.Va just scored it. Soldier? Fuck. But Junkrat's just scored it. He's in the back.
Oh shit, soldier is
Symmetra.
keeping.
Symmetra. Nice one. Top left. I can't.
Oh.
I played against a lot of divas. Fuck off.
Objective A captured. Escort the payload.
Now to strike.
They might get a Toby on near the end, just watch out.
Uh-oh.
Get away from me. Get away from me.
Nice one.
You have my thanks.
Thanks.
Symmetra half. Reinhardt's discorded.
Where is? Okay.
I'm dead. No, yes, either die or fly to soldier on the left.
Overconfidence is a flimsy
Oh shit.
Do you know where it is?
Yeah, I know where it is, but it's
Garden.
yeah.
Is it a shield gen or a teleporter?
It's a
Shield
shield gen. Angelo.
It's on the right side.
Diva discorded. Diva out mech. Nice one. Alright, do you guys want to push to their spawn?
No, I'm gonna stay on point.
Genji's left side.
Two people stay on point. Rest
Free,
maybe
yeah.
push. Two people.
Genji's
Like
ult.
the third.
I need to stay with you guys.
The third does not give much.
Alright, Genji's going for me. No, and there's an ult. Please, 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 Reinhardt. Are you kidding me? Jump right behind.
The payload has reached the
Jump cut's left side.
Don't kill him.
Tracer behind. I need help. Nah, man.
Helping
Thank you. Symmetra? You got me? Oh fuck, I didn't hit you, I'm sorry.
No, no worries. Thanks.
Yep.
Reinhardt's low.
Nope, I'm dead. Fuck me.
Diva low, Diva low. There you go. They got a Mercy. Maze low. Nice.
In. Back up so I can reach you.
Mercy discorded.
Give me a sec. I'll try to get Mercy.
Gotcha.
Mercy in the back.
Gotcha.
Mercy in the back discord.
Yeah, I'm on her.
She's
I'm on
low.
her.
She's low. Nice.
Dead. Tracer's the only one left.
Discorded. Right, left hand.
Come on.
May I
Teleporter.
come in again? Shield gen.
Is it shield
No
gen?
shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
I'm on it. I'm on shield gen. It's just right.
Did we
Can you res
off? I cannot get any res off right
I'm
now,
fr-
I'm sorry.
No.
That's not gonna happen at the moment. I can
Alright,
try.
at least
That was
heal them.
That was so stupid. I cannot believe I just did that.
If you
Come on.
nice, nice, nice. You got this. You got this.
Shit.
Quick, we need.
I'm gonna drop, I'm gonna drop. Nope, they're gonna get me.
It's gonna be.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Wait, did we do it before the end?
We got it before overtime. but,
There
like,
is literally
0.2 of a
0.1
second.
seconds.
0.02.
Oh, no, we didn't even
Wow.
we didn't get it.
We did get
We
it
got
in
it.
overtime.
We got it.
That's why we got plus 1 minute. Otherwise, we would only be fighting for a draw.
Yeah, for the first checkpoint.
Oh my god.
My heart.
is without
And we did defend the first point pretty well, right?
We did,
Yeah.
yeah.
How was the attack though?
Bad.
Start was bad. We took too long.
Very, like,
We
subpar.
got staggered as well.
I guess.
Are they in voice chat? Only one of them is.
I'm thinking maybe
my
I
mother's vacuuming and I can hear her.
attack.
I'm sorry if you can hear it.
Yeah.
No, can't. Oh, just can
Alright.
hear a kettle in the background.
A
No,
kettle.
that's vacuuming. cleaner.
A what?
A-
Oh,
The
vacuum
vacuum.
cleaner. Oh,
What's a vacuum cleaner?
kettle-shaped vacuum cleaner.
Knight doesn't know. He's not very well acquainted with it.
What?
What's cleaning?
The vacuum. Not like he does it every single day or anything.
4, 3,
Knight prefers to let see the dust as actual human beings. That's
The
all.
dust too.
Let's try going left.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's try going left, guys. Then that means you too.
You
Come on.
mean guy? You mean guy because only one is in chat. They're all up top. I'm just gonna skip them and
Good
door
idea.
behind.
Good idea.
Yeah, because that forces them out of position. Let's be in
Yeah.
charge. Diva
Yeah,
half,
that
Diva
was
half.
really good. Shit.
Yeah.
Then I'm sorry.
There's.
I got, Diva discorded?
Fuck.
Alright, don't worry about it. Ah, there's
Right
the
now.
Torbjorn.
Punisher. Nice.
Aha! That was lucky.
Oh shit.
You want my class?
No. Fuck. Get her off me.
That was.
On a left.
Anna's low. Anna's one. Anna's one
Give me a
health.
sec. Give me a sec. I got her.
I'm sorry. No, it's just that I didn't get her somehow.
Point.
Is it just
no,
human?
no recall.
Are you? Okay. That's alright.
Yeah, it was only.
A Reinhardt has to now.
No, it's okay.
So it's just okay.
I think we're fighting for a draw, right?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
score 3 to 3. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Let me think.
True self is without form.
Yeah, actually, this looks like a good comp.
If I didn't miss that shot on Anna, I would have been able to help you, man. I'm sorry.
No worries.
A chance to focus.
I got slapped by her as well right before I landed my melee. So
Yeah,
that's
she was
why-
annoying.
Attackers incoming
Like,
in 30 seconds.
I was standing like over on this side trying to stay out of the crossfire, and
Yeah.
she just.
I'm gonna take a break after this. I'm getting fatigued. Like everything
Okay.
just seems blurry.
Okay,
Yeah,
sure.
same.
Alright.
Also, I'm kind of hungry.
Russell training at me?
What?
5, 4,
What?
3,
Never mind.
2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective.
Hungry for a victory.
Yes.
I think they're coming from
Going left.
they have a monkey.
Monkey discorded.
Nice.
Oh, God.
Monkey low. Oh no.
On him.
He's
My
low.
eyes just went all fuzzy, and I couldn't like.
Diva discorded left side. McCree low. McCree low. Mercy discorded, man.
I had to get back because my
Sorry
tree
about
got rest.
Necklace
No
to you.
worries.
Necklace to you.
Monkey's coming out. Monkey's coming out. Reinhardt's discorded.
I am
I'm on
absolutely
him.
not letting him get demexed again. Because that's when things get bad.
Monkey discorded.
He's dead, he's dead.
Nice.
Nice.
Mercy was nearby as well. Watch out.
Let's just don't let anybody back cap.
The Genji. Yeah, no, I'm on point.
Good.
The
Alright.
Genji terrifies me though.
He's going.
Diva point.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. She's out. She's out. Alright,
Mercy dead.
whoever's. Nice.
I'm on Reinhardt.
We got it.
Nice.
Nice job.
Draw.
Oh wow.
Idiot. Yeah, that was a Oh, can you hear that 51% kill participation?
You're welcome.
Alright. You're...
Because I've got 43 eliminations and that's gold.
Really?
Oh, I got a free skin.
I
Wow.
had silver, but I didn't see what it was.
I got 36, and that's bronze.
Wait, what did you get of Brigitte?
I got her green skin.